Assalamu alaikum dear viewers. I have a Sharp microwave to repair. Its problem is sparking. So let's see. I turn it on for 2 minutes. Press the start button. See, it's sparking. Yeah. So this is the problem. It's sparking. So let's see what is the problem. If we remove the door, see this wave guard paper also has been burned. Yeah, in the floor also is stain mark. So let me open the wave guard paper. Let's see how is it. Yeah, I have removed. So wave guard paper has been burned, so need to replace. This is the first reason, and very important reason is magnetron. We have to remove and we have to check this magnetron. Yeah, this magnetron also very important to check. Yeah, I have removed. Yeah, see it's burned. Yeah, it has been burned. It's a see black mark, burn mark. So this must be replaced. Yeah, that's why this is the main reason. It's a sparking. So it's damaged, it's burned. So I have to change this. I have new also. See, new should be, this head should be always like this clean. Yeah, if it is clean then will be good. Yeah, and if it is burn mark, see it's burned, so we have to change it. So I'll fix there, then video will be back. This wave guard paper also we have to replace, because that also has been burned. Yeah, so I'll cut it. Yeah, same size. Yeah, dear viewers, I have changed the magnetron and I have cut this paper also. Yeah, same size. So I'll put it there nicely. Yeah, dear viewers, I have fixed there. Yeah, then so let's put some of water for testing, and I put aluminum tape also because there's a paint has gone, that's why. So let's test it. Inshallah will be okay. Let's try 2 minutes. Yeah, press start button. Yeah, alhamdulillah, there is no sparking. Yeah, so it will be okay. So I will push this video will be back after 1 minute. And yes, after 1 minute, so should be okay. Let's stop it and we'll see water is hot or not. Yeah, alhamdulillah, yeah, water is hot. So thank you so much for watching my video. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.